you for the payday, because I don't see shaggy.
Alright guys, good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Savage World. My guys, don't be smart, you know. One thing about Olamide be say this guy can even buy a private jet today and you will not know anything about it. So Olamide went to the dealership shop today and you can see him. He purchased a brand new Maybach Benz worth over 300 million naira just a few days ago. Not be smart, you know. You can see Olamide, gisting and talking with some of his friends in the trenches after purchasing this expensive, massive Maybach that Davido and Wizkid are buying from time to time. At this point, they Olamide might even own a private jet that we did not know anything about, because this guy is always moving in secret. We don't always know what he is up to in the industry, but he showed me say Bado na Baba. I'm going to leave you guys to watch the rest of the video so you can see how Olamide cruised with his Maybach in Lagos. Don't forget to use the red subscribe button, like the video, and share your comments in the comment section. Do you guys think Olamide is as rich as Davido, Burna Boy, and Wizkid, but he's just refusing to display and show his true wealth on the internet because Olamide get doings no be small?
Hello, Habibi. Salam alaikum, Habibi. If you're ready, let's go, Habibi. I told you, Habibi. When money enter, Habibi, I will definitely call you, Habibi. We dey go to the price, Habibi. And I'm out for wizkid. And shiny, Habibi. I lie, I go spoil you, Habibi. Oh my baby, I wish so you won't go, Habibi. Hello, Habibi. Salam alaikum, Habibi. If you're ready, let's go, Habibi. I told you, Habibi. When money enter, Habibi, hello, Habibi. Salam alaikum, Habibi. If you're ready, let's go, Habibi. I told you, Habibi. When money enter, Habibi, I will definitely call you, Habibi. We dey go to the price, Habibi. And I'm out for wizkid. And shiny, Habibi. I lie, I go spoil you, Habibi. Oh my baby, I wish so you won't go, Habibi. Hello, Habibi. Salam alaikum, Habibi. If you're ready, let's go, Habibi. I told you, Habibi. When money enter, Habibi, I will definitely call you, Habibi. We dey go